back to my channel. I feel like I have been worried about school so much recently, so I thought it would be fun to kind of just take a few days and just treat myself, honestly, like do some fun spring activities. I really want to go get some flowers, go get a coffee, maybe get a bagel, go have it by the beach, maybe read, like I don't know, just some fun, relaxing little activities. I also kind of want to go shopping since I'm done with the 75 hard style challenge. Mother's Day is also coming up, so I can do some shopping for that. I actually do have a little Mother's Day gift idea for you guys. One of the things I want to give my mom is the Cleo Cosmetics Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara. I'm gonna use it right now, I'll show you. This one is their volume and curling mascara. Here's what the wand looks like. I like it because you're able to be super precise and controlled with the application. So this mascara is gonna give you really long lasting volume and curl. You're not gonna have them drooping or going straight. This stuff is gonna stay, so you're also not gonna have any raccoon eyes or smudging or anything like that. It also doesn't get clumpy. It's like just very nice and lengthening. Like already look at before and then after, I feel like my lashes look so much more lifted and I just look more awake on this side. I've just been loving this mascara. It's very natural looking while still giving you a lot of volume and length. Okay, other side is done. It just looks so good. They also have this mascara. This one is number 4. It's the extreme volume one. It's a tubing mascara and it's gonna withstand against any like oils from your eyelids. Super easy to remove. This one is also gonna keep your lashes curled all day. No drooping or smudging. It's gonna be a little bit of a fuller look. You can already see by the shape of the brush how voluminous it's gonna look. Again, these are super great gift ideas for Mother's Day. You have 2 options. You could also do both. You can get this on Amazon. I'm going to have the link in the description. Definitely recommend. If you want to try the mascara out for yourself, you can click the link in the description and make sure to take advantage of the Mother's Day promotion that's happening from May 6th to May 12th. Products are up to 45% off and both of the mascaras are 35% off. They're originally $14.90 and they're going to be on sale for $9.70. So great deal. Go check them out. Thank you so much to Cleo Cosmetics for sponsoring. I'm just going to quickly wrap up the rest of my makeup, just brushing through my eyebrows. And then I actually wanted to try one of their glosses. This one is in the shade Daily Mauve. Here is what the packaging looks like. Okay, I just added some lip liner. Now I'm going to apply this. Looks very tinted. I'm excited. Ooh, this is very pink. It's super smooth. Like I really like the consistency. Also such a pretty color. Okay, makeup is done. I'm gonna do my hair. I have second day curls right now that have mostly fallen out. I actually like the way it looks. They're like very big waves, but not all of my hair is like this. Like there's some straight pieces and stuff. So I do just want to go back in and curl it and then throughout the day it'll fall. I definitely need some dry shampoo. I have just not been loving my hair recently. I don't even know exactly why. I wasn't gonna section my hair because I wanted to be lazy, but I feel like it actually just is easier sometimes when you do section it. Anyways, I think I am going to listen to a podcast while I do my hair. It should be pretty quick. I'm not gonna like go all out or anything. And then we will pick out an outfit. Also, excuse my messy room. I'm doing a closet clean out right now. And so I just have these random drawers and my empty laundry detergent sitting there. So don't mind that. But anyways, I am going to finish my hair. Okay, here's what I'm planning on wearing. I feel like this pink cardigan is very spring. It's super windy today, so I definitely need something to keep me a little bit warmer. I'm gonna grab a tank top out of my random drawers in the middle of my room. I think I'm gonna do this brandy tank top with it. This is one of my favorites because of the little straps. They're just so cute. And then just some jeans. A skirt would be really cute, but I don't think I'm feeling like going all out today. So I think we're just gonna stick with my jeans that I wear every day from Cotton On. Okay, I'm about to leave. I'm picking up Brayden and we're gonna head to Trader Joe's and then I think we're gonna get coffee and go to the beach. So I'm really excited. I wanna get some flowers at Trader Joe's and then I need to get some fruit and I'm not sure what else yet, but we'll probably just walk around and see if anything looks good. So let's go. All right, here we are back home. This is everything that I got, just a bunch of random stuff. And then I also got a couple bouquets of flowers. And here I am wrapping one of them up. I wanted to take some pictures with it and I was gonna give one to a friend too. And then Brayden and I walked to get a coffee and a bagel and went down to the beach, or I guess like some picnic tables by the beach. It was so good. It was just such a nice day out. The bagel really hit the spot. And then Brayden helped me take some pictures, which you guys will probably see on my Instagram soon. And then we headed back home. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. It was so nice to go just eat by the beach. The bagels were so good. We ended up just sitting there and talking for probably way too long, but I'm back home. I put my hair up because the wind was insane earlier and it just ruined my hair. So I have it in a little clip right now. I did a little assignment that I totally forgot I needed to do today, but now I am just gonna clean up my apartment. I have a bunch of like random stuff out right now that I need to put away. I'm also going to keep cleaning out my closet. You guys will see a whole video on that sometime soon. I'm not sure when, but we're just basically going to get the place ready. Did I just say my friend's coming over tonight? I literally can't remember and it was like a minute ago. Anyways, my friend's coming over and we're gonna make dinner together. So before that, I need to just clean up my apartment, make sure it's looking nice, probably unload my dishwasher, just random little things like that. But I'm excited I actually have time to do that. I feel like I've just been so busy with school and YouTube recently that my apartment has just been like getting messy and I haven't even had a chance to like pick up all the clutter. So we're gonna do that really quick. I'm excited to have a clean apartment. Morning. I think I said this, but my friend Taylor came over last night. I didn't vlog a bunch because we just made dinner and then we were just talking for like a really long time and it was really nice. But today, me and Brayden are going to go to Pismo, which is a beach that's like an hour north of where we are. That's actually the beach that I would go to growing up because I'm from the Central Valley, so that was like the closest one. I'm having a water boy right now, which is like the hydration, like recovery drinks, because I had some wine last night. I don't even think I need this because it's not like I had a ton, but I don't know. I just want to like feel my best today since we're gonna be like doing a little mini day trip. Brayden's family is in Pismo right now, and so we are just gonna go see them. I'm not even sure what we're gonna do today, but here's what I'm wearing. My top is like a little set from JCPenney. Necklace is Brandy. I love this necklace. I forgot I had it because it was like hiding behind some other ones. Earrings, I wanna say are en route. I'm not totally sure. I have no idea where this ring is from. It's super cute and like dainty, and it fits me really well. I feel like all my rings are either too big or too small, and this one is just perfect. I want to be a ring girl so bad and like wear a bunch of them and wear them like every day, but I just hate the way that they feel. So I feel like this little one will be fine, especially since it fits well. And then my jeans are thrifted Levi's. I'm not gonna wear my slippers, obviously. I really like these jeans. I never wear like fitted jeans anymore. I'm always wearing my baggy jeans because they're so comfortable. So I forgot what I look like in like actual pants that fit me right. And then my purse is Brandy. I think I'm gonna bring my leather jacket too because it's gonna be cold and windy. But yeah, I'm excited. I feel like it's been such a nice weekend so far, and it's like just starting. It's Saturday morning. I don't really have a lot of school stuff to worry about right now. This is like one of the first weekends in a while where it's really just like a chill weekend where I can like let myself relax and do whatever I want and not just have to like sit at my computer all day editing or doing homework. Wait, I'm getting a call. Hello.
32.
Okay, we were just figuring out what the plan was when we're leaving and stuff, so I'm just gonna eat really quick and then I think we're gonna go. I realized I should probably eat lunch because I don't know if we're gonna eat when we get there. Like, I don't even know what we're doing. So I heated up some spaghetti from HelloFresh. It's so good. It has like Brussels sprouts. I'm blanking on what else is in there. I don't know. It's really good. But I also wanted to show you, look how pretty the tulips look. Like, they look gorgeous. These were supposed to be for Taylor. I totally forgot to have her take them last night. They were getting super like droopy and weird. I had like put them in a little cute bouquet. I like wrapped them up in like a paper bag and made it look all cute, but then I realized I should probably put them in water. So now they're back to normal pretty much. But anyways, I just thought I'd show you because they look so pretty. But I'm gonna eat. All right, we got on the road. This drive was so beautiful. I would definitely recommend doing it if you got the chance. But yeah, we drove up to Pismo. We were just hanging out with Brayden's family for the day at their Airbnb, so I obviously wasn't gonna like film them or anything. We kind of just played some games, ate some food, and it was a really nice time. I'm so sorry I didn't get more clips. And then on the way home, Brayden and I stopped at In-N-Out because I wanted a milkshake. I was really craving a Neapolitan shake, and that was pretty much it for our day. The next morning, Brayden and I went to go get bagels again. Just eating it by the beach the other day was so nice. So we wanted to do that again. We got them from a different place this time. I got a PB&J bagel, which was really good. Sounds kind of weird, but I swear it's good. And then I don't know what the name of Brayden's was, but it looked amazing. And yeah, we just sat out in the sun for a bit. It was so relaxing, and then we headed home. Okay, I just got home from having a little like brunch with Brayden. That was so nice. I wonder if I have any like weird tan lines from this. I doubt it. We weren't really out there for long enough, but the UV was 8, which was nice. But I am wearing this really cute set from TLF, I think. I'm not totally sure. I got sent some workout clothes the other day. Here's what the tag looks like. I had actually never heard of this brand. These literally just showed up at my door, but it is a really cute set. So thank you, TLF. I am planning on going to the gym today. We'll see if that actually happens, honestly, because I'm not sure. I need to grab some stuff from Target. I might do just like a drive-up order because my gym is nearby Target, so afterwards I can just go grab it because I don't want to go into the store all like sweaty. I will have just gone to the gym, probably look disgusting and feel disgusting, so I would like to just sit in my car and not bother anyone. So I might do a drive-up order. I need to edit a bunch today, this video actually. I need to change my bedding. I took it off this morning because I want to put on some new like spring bedding, I guess. I want to switch to a lighter comforter. I have a duvet on right now and it's just getting a little bit too warm for that. So I'm gonna switch to a quilt that I have and put on some cute floral sheets that I have not used in forever. So let's do that. It's a bit later. I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged. What even was it? I literally cannot think. Was it my sheets? I don't know. I'm filming 2 videos at the same time right now because I'm doing a closet clean out. And whenever I do that, it just gets really confusing what I've filmed and what I haven't. So anyways, I have been cleaning up my room. I'll show you guys an update actually. I don't even know how much you saw, but now it is just so much better. Before it was like 10 times worse. Like this already looks kind of bad because there's kind of stuff everywhere. But anyways, we got a lot done in here. I need to go pick up the drive-up order from Target. I'm not gonna go to the gym today. Working out right now just does not sound like the vibe. Especially at the gym is not sounding fun for me. I think I do want to still try to do a home workout, so we will do that later, but I also want to go take this to Brayden. I'm trying to get rid of these and I think he might want to take one. These used to be in my closet, but I got some different like storage. This is so awkward to carry. Anyway, so I'll probably go get the drive-up order, but I also really want to go to Home Goods. I've been wanting to go for a bit now, so I think we're gonna do that. Honestly, I'm in a weird mood. I just like was watching TikTok and got super emotional over one of them. Like, I don't know, just it was a really cute TikTok, but then it turned really sad and like, I don't know, I'm in a weird state of mind and I'm like, you know what? Let's just get out of the house for a bit because I feel like I have not been leaving the house recently. It's so weird. I used to always go like watch the sunset or just go do things outside. I don't know. I feel like I just haven't been leaving my apartment as much recently, which I don't like. I feel like it's making me feel like a hermit, you know what I mean? This weekend I did do a bunch of stuff, so I'm not really talking about that specifically, but I do want to get outside more. So we are just gonna go get out of the house. It's literally Home Goods, like it's not outside, but you guys know what I mean. I think I need to just leave my apartment and go walk around or something. I don't know. I've been seeing really cute stuff at Home Goods, so we're gonna go check it out. My camera's dying, so I will see you guys later. Sorry, the lighting is a little bit weird. I'll just quickly show you guys what I got. First, I'll show you the stuff from Target. I got Cheez-Its, beans. Also, this is just like a random little haul. I only needed a few things. Activia, detergent, and dishwasher like pods. That's everything from Target. And then the only thing that I got from Home Goods was this like light pinkish baking sheet. Just thought it'd be good to have another one because I feel like I'm always needing to use mine when it's like in the dishwasher or something. But that's it. I didn't really see anything that I wanted. I was going to have a meeting tonight in 20 minutes at 7, but that got canceled. So I'm thinking I should probably use this time to do a quick little workout just on YouTube in my living room. Because if I sit down to do my work, I'm not gonna want to get back up and then do a workout. So we're just gonna do probably a short one, like 10 or 20 minutes, just to like do something today. Also, since I already have a workout set on, like I might as well. So yeah, let's do that right now. I I just finished. It felt like it was really easy at first. Like there were no crazy movements, no jumping or anything like that. So I was scared it was gonna be like too easy, but by the end I was like feeling the burn. I broke a sweat. Like that was a nice workout. But now I think I wanna do like a quick 5-minute stretch because I feel like I'm so not flexible. So I think I'm gonna start finishing off my home workouts by doing this. So I'm gonna find a video to do. Now 7:22. It's starting to get a little bit dark in here. I think I'm gonna end this video. I just have some work to do tonight, but I feel like I did a lot of fun stuff in this video, so I'm glad that I did some things that I normally like wouldn't necessarily make time to do, especially on the weekdays recently, just with school and just having a bunch of homework. I probably wouldn't have made time to like work out, so I'm gonna try to start doing this on days where I'm not going to the gym. For some reason, for a while, I just forgot that you could work out at home. But yeah, anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me any video requests in the description, no, not description, comments, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.